Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a bunch of things that I'm surrounded by that are my favorite essential oil accessories. So these are just things that I've bought mostly on Amazon that are just things that I use to make essential oil things. I know that sounds like kind of funny, but so I have like diffusers and carrier oils and organization things, and it is kind of a mess around me, so I'm just going to grab the things and talk about them. They're not in any special order. All of these are linked on my first, I'll link them in this blog post and video description, but also if you go to my oils Instagram account, I have the link in my bio has one of the links says essential oil accessories, and so you just click there and everything will be linked there as well. But anyways, let's get started. This one, since it's the biggest and I want to kind of just get it out of the way, this is one of my favorite diffusers. So obviously diffusers are one of the main things that I've bought after my starter kit. So a lot of them are by Pure Enrichment. This one is, it has pink Himalayan sea salt in the bottom. The top part is the diffuser. We actually have two of these in our house because I love this one so much. It's just super cute. And then the top part is the diffuser. You fill it up right there. So we have a lot of diffusers, and all of my favorite ones are linked and will be linked on this post as well. Okay. So while we're still talking about diffusers, I have two different car diffusers that we really like. This first one is just from Amazon. I think it was like $9 or $10. You fill it up by filling this little cup up, and then it also has like a little filter or a little like reed in there. So this one is not my #1 favorite. I still do like using it. It smells like thieves. So the thing with it is those little sticks in there. It's like a little, I don't even know what it's made of, but it smells and it keeps the smell of the oil, so you don't like get to change it a lot because you would have to change that little stick in there too. So if you just like diffusing purification, or you just like one oil in your car all the time, this one would be great. It does put out a lot of water vapor, and it plugs into your outlet. So I do like this one. It's just not my favorite because of that little mechanism, I guess, there. This is another one. It fits in like a cup holder. This is Pure Enrichment. But this one I like because it is just like a regular diffuser. It has a little reservoir. You just fill it with water and oil. I guess the con with this one is that it has a cord. So you're kind of having a cord in your car if you are a person that doesn't like that. And also, I don't know, there really aren't any other cons. I do like, it just has like this touch button. It has a little light. It lights up when you turn it on. Pure Enrichment just has like super good quality things. Also, well, while we're talking about quality, I haven't had this for too long, and it's kind of rubbing off. It's another like touch button one, and the like the wear on it, it just kind of isn't as good as the Pure Enrichment. So I don't know, I think this one's probably cheaper too, so it just depends on what you want to spend and what you care about. So those are my car ones. And next is my fume. You guys know I love this. This one is mine, so I'll show you. I also have one that I'm going to surprise you guys and do a giveaway with. But this is the one I've been using for a while now. They last forever. The middle, so the middle, you just put this little core in. So this is this is what you put your oil on. This is an essential oil inhaler. All it is you're putting your oil on this little core insert, you pop it in, and then you breathe in your oil. It's no different. Well, it is different than just like diffusing or breathing in, inhaling your oils. It's different from a diffuser in that it doesn't change the state of the oil. So I actually like this so much. I like it way better than diffusing. But so you just inhale. So you just breathe it in through your mouth, out through your nose, or whatever you want to do, and you just get all the benefits of the oil that way. So I've done a few videos on fume before, but I guess my top reasons for using fume, or the way that I like to use it, is I keep this actually on my treadmill most of the time because I have Raven and Peppermint in here, and it just kind of opens your airways and helps with like motivating you to work out. So that's my #1. #2 is you can put thieves in here, or some sort of immune support blend, and immune support, it's amazing. So basically any oil you want you can put in here. Those are just kind of my top 2 favorites. I did do it in I did do a video on a couple of different ways to use it, but there's like calm blends. Any blend that you use to diffuse, you basically can put in your fume and just inhale it that way. But like I said, I am surprising you with a giveaway. I found this in the back of my closet. This is a new fume inhaler, and so just first of all, look how pretty it is. I love that they're all unique and just beautiful. And it also, this is a starter pack, so it comes with peppermint cores, eucalyptus cores, and lavender cores. So you get a 3-pack of those. And then I was going to show you this too. This you can also order separately. I don't think it comes with the starter kit, but these are just blank or just empty ones so that you can put whatever oil you want. They also do have those pre-saturated cores as well. So to enter the giveaway to win one of those, you have to be subscribed to this channel, following me on my oils Instagram and my regular one, which will be linked there. All these rules too will be in the description of this video. You have to follow Fume, and then comment on this video to let me know what you are excited most about to put in your fume inhaler. Okay, so next is oil like organization and storage. So I have a shelf on my wall, and that is the very first thing that I bought, and that's where I keep most of my oils. But I have been really into these lately. So this is what I keep my, trying not to just spill all these. This is what I keep all my Vitality oils and the oils that I use in the kitchen. So I have like tummy dries here for stomach ache. And a little headache roller, but most of these are Vitality, the white label oils. And this is a really cool wooden, it's a 3-tier, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3-tiered shelf. I got it on Amazon. It wasn't that expensive. I don't like to spend a lot of money on things. So the majority of things I talk about here on my channel and anywhere else is going to be pretty budget friendly. So that is the one I keep in the kitchen, like I said. And then this one I like to keep in my bathroom. This one is bamboo. And it holds 6 oils. These are the 6 that I use every morning, and some of them at night. But I just like to keep this on my bathroom counter, and I like how it just displays them like this, kind of slanted. So cute. So this is another one. All of them again will be linked. I have like a gray wooden one that I have in Zara's room, and then I can try to link a shelf like I have. It's just like one of those hexagon shelves with different small shelves in it. But okay, next, this is a book that I recommend everyone that is just starting in essential oils or not just starting to get. This is the Pocket Reference Book by Life Science. It's Young Living based, so you look up any ailment or any issue that you're having. I feel like I open to this every time. Malaria, but let's see. So lymphatic system, anything, allergies. So it has the singles that it recommends for that, the blends, the nutritional, so supplements, and then how to use them. It's like such a helpful book. And again, it's Young Living based, so it has all of your Young Living oils in it. Okay, the next couple of things are going to be like different products. So this is Mexican vanilla. It's cold pressed clear vanilla. So I just recently discovered or found out that you can put clear vanilla in diffuser blends to add like that vanilla aspect or that vanilla note. Also you can use in perfumes if you're making that. So this is a huge jar or jug. I thought it was going to be like a small little thing. So it's a really good value for what it's priced. And then I just put it in this little dropper so that I can just use it to drop into different things that I'm using. So obviously for anything that I'm cooking and baking with that I need vanilla for, but also like diffusing and making things. Okay, the next couple of products, coconut oil. This is just a must. So as soon as you buy your starter kit, go order this on Amazon. You'll need it to make all the rollers. This is just the one that I found is like the best value, like the cheapest for what it is. It's just a super good quality one. But this will be linked. I also have, so Valentia is one of my favorite places to get carrier oils. This is the avocado oil, but they also have coconut, like chia seed oil, rosehip, jojoba. Those are the ones I use most of the time, but this one's just the avocado, but this is a really good brand. And then Public Goods is also a good brand. This is the witch hazel, but I also get, this is actually where I get my shampoo and conditioner. I add rosemary to it, but it's where I get it because they don't have fragrance or parabens or synthetic ingredients. So Public Goods, a good place to get products like that. And then the rest of the things I think are just going to be like different. Oh, I have this. So like different rollers and things, but this is the label maker that I got, and I didn't know which one to get when I was first starting, so I just got, I think this is like the cheapest one I could find. It's under $20, but it has been great, and the kids play with it and mess with it, and it's working fine still. So I definitely recommend this if you wanted like a sticker maker or label printer. And then I have a bunch of different little containers and jars and types of things like that. So this one, so these are just your basic amber roller bottles. They come with the glass roller, and then it'll have lids and rollers. And sorry if that's loud. This is the roller top. You just pop it on after you fill it up. You press that down into there, and that's the lid. So rollers, a must-have. These I love. These are tiny little glass. Are they glass? Yeah, they're glass jars. That this is the same amount as a cap full of thieves. So I like to do thieves samples in these and send them out. Next, these are just spray tops you can buy in a bag like this. And they are the perfect size to pop onto a bottle of oil. So what, I should have grabbed it, but what I like or bought it for mostly is peppermint, because Chris uses that as just breath spray. So I popped a spray top on a bottle of peppermint, and that's his breath spray. Oh, these are pretty cool. These are, I used to make a brow and lash serum. This is just like an empty mascara wand, basically. It has the wand like mascara, and you can just put castor oil, lavender, and frankincense. Is that what it is? Maybe I'll put my little recipe down there. But those were super cool. Got those when I first started. There's also, this is a tiny little roller. I like these for samples too, so I like having those on hand. That's the, let me see, is it 3 or 5? So most rollers will be 10 milliliter. I think that one, that mini one, was actually 3. And then this one is 1 milliliter. These are what I use for samples. So if I send a sample to someone, and this doesn't have a roller top on, just has a regular tap, but I just put whatever oil I want to give a sample of and put it in those. So I do love having that. This is empty. It doesn't have the actual product, but these are Aroma Glide Fitment rollers. So the 2 of them come in your starter kit, but I definitely recommend buying another bag. This is a 10-pack, I think. It was a 10-pack. I've used them all now. Yeah, 10. And I think it was $10, so it wasn't bad, but they just perfectly fit on the top of a bottle of oil. So I use that a lot. Like in this one, I have in my bamboo holder that I showed, I have all of my rollers, or the oils that I use every day. Most of them just have those fitment rollers on the top, so they're super easy to use. And then there are like little fancy rollers and spray, perfume bottles and things. So you can buy like little fancy rollers like this, and these both have just roller tops on them. So lots of different roller options, lots of different containers and little fancy things and just regular things, all of the things. I get a lot of questions on this stuff, so I thought I would just do a video on all of it, put it all together so that you guys would have it in one place. But it's also, like I said, I'll link them here, but in when you go to my Instagram, click my bio, it'll take you to a page and it'll have the accessories link there. So I didn't want to make this video too long, so I flew through. So let me know if I missed anything or if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Have a good day. Bye.